Microsoft's end-of-life announcement for Dynamics GP has left businesses grappling with outdated infrastructure. The reliance on in-house servers demands costly maintenance and constant upgrades. Acumatica, a cloud-native ERP, eliminates these burdens. It offers a scalable, up-to-date system managed by expert support, freeing businesses from expensive hardware and IT resource drains. Dynamics GP's limited mobility often frustrates users with VPN hassles and remote access issues. Acumatica redefines accessibility with its true cloud design, offering 24/7 availability from any internet-connected device. This empowers remote teams and executives to stay productive, ensuring business operations continue seamlessly, regardless of location. Traditional ERP systems like Dynamics GP use a per-user licensing model, increasing costs with each new team member. Acumatica's consumption-based pricing ties cost to resource usage, not user count. This encourages collaboration and scalability, allowing businesses to grow without financial strain, making it a preferred Dynamics GP replacement. ERP updates can disrupt businesses relying on Dynamics GP, causing downtime and inefficiencies. Acumatica's cloud-native design provides seamless, automatic updates without costly interruptions. This ensures your system remains current and secure, allowing your team to focus on growth and customer satisfaction without worrying about outdated features. Dynamics GP users often struggle with outdated add-ons for CRM and project management. Acumatica integrates powerful tools directly into its platform, offering a unified solution for CRM, project management, and business intelligence. This reduces complexity, streamlines workflows, and enhances productivity, making it the best replacement for Dynamics GP. Managing data security on self-managed servers is risky for Dynamics GP users. Acumatica offers enterprise-grade security with encryption, intrusion detection, and disaster recovery. Hosted on trusted cloud platforms, it ensures data protection and compliance, enabling businesses to operate confidently and efficiently, free from IT risks. Learn more